This Dior lipstick is for 3,700 and this Maybelline lipstick is for 700. We're going to try both of them today and see whether this one is worth it or not. This is the shade I'm going to apply on my lower lip. And now this one on the upper lip. Shade match तो बिल्कुल ही perfect है. Let's go to proper light. No one will believe कि upper and lower lip पे दो different lipsticks है. 10 बजे पानी, no change. फिर I ate my fruit 11 बजे थोड़ा हल्का सा टिश्यू पे आया but nothing like it's okay. It's still transfer proof. Then lunch के बाद भी no change, no application required. और ये शाम को जब मैं वापस घर आई 5 बजे. Let's remove the lipstick at 7:30 after नाश्ता and all. Removal और application दोनों ही बहुत easy थे. Okay, final verdict. ये बहुत महंगा है Dior वाला और मुझे दोनों के texture में कोई फ़र्क नहीं लगा. So I think there is no need buying the Dior long stay. Maybelline does just the same work.